Yes, so this is me again. The effects always beautiful, pretty. Adam say I'm not gonna say handsome because I know be mad. This is effects always lady. So today I'm trying to make a foot mat using baby wool. Using baby wool. My darling, crafts day for this country. Nobody this country entirely crafts day for this world. You can make use of whatever you have around you to make crafts. Yes, and you can start a business with it. You go dey pay me for body when I go dey waka for the streets of Lagos, when I go dey see matured men and matured women when their hands complete, their legs complete. They go dey beg for money. Sorry, first of all, I am not saying that it is wrong, or I am not saying what they are doing is wrong or it is right. But I go small, stylishly to say it is wrong because your body they complete. But at the same time, I'm not going to judge them because I don't know the reason behind it. Some people did now frustration. Some people say they don't wish to do them now problem. But those people when they don't come be frustration, they don't come turn Lagos to something else. They go just beg. People who complete, they're supposed to go start business. They go they beg. Some go tell you, hello, ma, sorry, I'm going to so place. My money is not complete. You go give them finish. That same person, you go say see am for that same bus stop. Why? But anyways, this is just how to make foot mat. We're going to make a foot mat using baby wool. Watch this video to the very end so you can see the end product. Oh my goodness, the end product is massive. It is beautiful. Like, you will love it. This is we making the pom-pom. You know what they call pom-pom? They try to make the small pom-pom, the ball. We can't attach together. We'll use a sack, bag of rice. If you use bag of rice, if you use buckle, we mix them together, you understand? I'm trying to teach some of my students how to make this pom-pom, you understand? You're not to let those children know that everything will be book. Yes, even if you know book, you still need to use your hand. They'll use and they do something so that tomorrow you not go they beg. You may be the girl, you know, go they do runs tomorrow, and the boys, you know, go they do what you're not supposed to do tomorrow. You understand? Because they said all work cannot play, make Jack a double. You need to send your children to the best schools. If they can't go school finish, wait till they use their hand do. You know, as this country they go, so and not everything will be certificate. So I'm not saying, please don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that going to school is wrong. Going to school is not wrong. It's good for your child to be educated. Very good, but they should have handwork so that they no go they depend for man, or the boy will go they think of waiting to they do yama thing. When pikin don't get handwork, waiting you go they look for again. This is the product, the finished product. This is the final foot mat. Some people feel put on top of their TV. Anyhow you want do them. This is the result, and this is were done by kids, beautiful kids, young girls. Now, my darlings, if I don't watch this video reach this point, please, the highest you can do is to follow me on my social media platforms. The same name, Effects Always. I bet make you run, go to YouTube. Oh, guys, just go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification table, and subscribe. I love you, God.